Good morning. Myself, Prabha Ranjay, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic name is CV characteristics of MOSFET from Unit 1. That is mass transistor principle. From the subject name is VLSI system design. Let us discuss. What is mean by CV characteristics of MOSFET, which means C is nothing but the capacitance, B is nothing but the voltage. The metal oxide semiconductor CV characteristic describes how the capacitance of a MOSFET, mass capacitor varies with the applied gate voltage, which is nothing but the V suffix G. These characteristics are fundamental in understanding MOSFET operation, threshold voltage, and device behavior in different regimes. Let us discuss the structure of MOSFET. Here you can see the structure of the MOSFET. First layer is metal gate or polysilicon layer, then oxide layer SiO2, then followed by p-type or n-type semiconductor substrate. Also you can see one equation, that is gate voltage input voltage Vg equal to VFB plus B oxide plus VSI. B suffix FB is nothing but the flattened voltage. The voltage at which the energy bands of the semiconductor are flat, no band bending. It accounts for work function difference between gate and substrate, fixed oxide charge, if any. Okay, next one is B suffix OX, oxide voltage. The voltage drop across the oxide layer SiO2 due to the electric field, and also B suffix Si, which is semiconductor surface potential. This is the potential drop within the semiconductor, indicates how much band bending occur in the semiconductor due to the applied gate voltage, governs whether the device is in accumulation, depletion, or inversion. Okay. Next, you can see three main form of the capacitance. First one is gate capacitance. Also, you can refer this diagram. First one is gate capacitance, which is gate of transistor. Next one is diffusion capacitance, which is in the drain region. Next one is routing capacitance or metal, etc. Here you can see Cg equal to Cgb plus Cgs plus Cgd. Okay. Also C is nothing but the C oxide into A. A is the area of the gate. C oxide is the thin oxide. Uh, Let me do one small activity. You you find the value for that question mark. Also you can comment your answer. Next, you can see the graph. In accumulation, have one condition, that is gate voltage Vg less than VFB. Charge increases linearly with Vg. Slope equal to minus C oxide. And also in depletion region, VFB, there is a condition, VFB less than Vg. Also less than Vg less than threshold voltage. The slope changes due to depletion region is non-linear, and in inversion region, Vg greater than Vt, charge increases more slowly. Surface potential stabilizes. Here you can see one equation. that is modulus of d of qs divided by d into vg. This defines capacitance as the derivative of semiconductor charge with respect to gate voltage. In accumulation and depletion, charge changes more rapidly larger C. In inversion, Q saturates lower capacitance. Next one is mass band diagram. Here you can see three region. In accumulation, we have gate voltage greater than VFB. The electrons accumulate at surface. The VG is decreases. Then in depletion mode, gate voltage less than VFB. Electrons repelled from surface. In inversion mode. The gate voltage less than VT, surface become P-type. And then let me see assessment of this lecture is first one is right mode of operation, then right region of operation, also write the capacitance of MOSFET. This is the assessment of this lecture. Next is if you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. We will meet in next video lecture. Thank you.